Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I will be showing you how you sync your Google Drive with your local folders on your desktop. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up the official Google Drive website right here and log into your Google account. After that guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can see all of your files. But guys, before doing this, you have to go ahead and download the official Google Drive application for desktop. So guys, you have to go to this link right here and download Drive for desktop. Just click this blue button and follow the instructions. It is a very easy installation. After that, you'll have successfully installed the application on your desktop. So guys, after installing it, you will be able to find it here in your icons bar, in your down here on your desktop, and here is the Google Drive application. So we're going to go ahead and open it. After opening it up guys, by clicking on it, you'll see that this will now open up this new window where we'll be able to manage our Google Drive. So the first thing we want to do guys is go ahead right here into the upper right corner of the application and click this settings option right here. After clicking on settings guys, this will now open up this new drop down menu where you will have multiple options that you can choose from. We want to go ahead and click on preferences. After clicking on preferences guys, now this will open up this new tab where you will be able to see that you have a button called add folder. So nice, so guys, now let's go ahead and click on the add folder button right here. After clicking on that folder button, now we can go ahead and find the folder that we want to sync with our Google Drive. I'm going to use this folder right here called Drive Backup. After that guys, after finding your folder, just click select folder. And now this will open up this new prompt that says if you want to sync with Google Drive, and you want to make sure this option is enabled right here. After that guys, just click done. And now you will be able to successfully add a folder to your drive. Let's go ahead and click on save. And now we have successfully added a folder to your Google Drive, and it will be synced with our desktop. And we will always, when we edit the folder on our desktop, we will also be editing it right here in our drive. So yeah guys, basically that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.